Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Today you are going to define the 6 skill-related components of fitness. You probably already guessed this because I had you define the health-related components and give definitions and examples. Today I just want you to define the 6 of these. I'm going to give you a link to a website that you can go down here more towards the bottom half of the page to find the definitions for all 6. And then I'm going to attach a video. So I would like you to watch the video regardless, even if you got your definitions from this website right here. I would like for you just to watch this. It's not long, it's only 2 minutes and 16 seconds. So watch that. It gives some details and some examples throughout, so I want you guys just to get familiar with all these terms that I'm having you define and give me examples for. I just want everybody to be comfortable with them and know exactly what they are. So that's all you're going to do for today. If you want to write in different color or however you do your work best is fine with me. I got some emails about that. If you want to go ahead and just fill in this with black font like the rest of the pages, that's fine. Or if you'd rather show me your answers in a different color, that's fine too. So go ahead and define these 6. And again, I'm going to give you this page as a reference. Go ahead and read through that again. Go over the health components just to refresh your memory. And then I'm going to give you this YouTube video too for you to watch. So that's your Friday assignment. Let me know if you have questions. It's pretty straightforward. I'm not going to make you give me any examples. There's some in both of the website and the video. So just kind of make sure that you are familiar with the skill-related components of fitness and the health-related components of fitness. So go ahead and submit your Word document when you're done, and then submit your attendance as well. Have a good weekend.